Hello, and welcome to Unit 2. You're taking this course as one of the stipulations to get off of your AJR behavioral contract related to substance abuse. There are 3 units in total, and this is Unit 2. In this unit of the course, you'll be able to explore myths about marijuana and vaping. For each myth, you'll be given 2 statements and a guiding question to help you distinguish between the 2 statements. We will do the first one together. Please have your handout in front of you as you will be able to work alongside of this PowerPoint. Statement 1 says, the marijuana plant has medicinal properties. Statement 2 says that marijuana is a medicine. Both statements are often stated in regards to marijuana, but what do they really mean? What is really accurate? Question number 1 asks us, what's the difference between marijuana having medicinal properties versus being an actual medicine? An example response in about 1 paragraph is provided for you. The example response states that parts of the cannabis plant can be used to help people with different types of medical issues such as cancer and glaucoma. But marijuana itself is not a medicine because it does not meet the FDA's criteria to be considered a medicine. Something with medicinal properties means that you're taking something from that plant to make a medicine from it. It doesn't mean that plant as a whole is a medicine. So essentially, marijuana does not meet the criteria the FDA requires of a medicine. Some of the criteria that it requires is that the drug's chemistry must be known and reproducible. There needs to be both short and long-term studies done, and the studies that are done need to be done as a controlled study. The drug itself must be accepted by well-qualified experts, and scientific evidence must be widely available. There is still very little information on the benefits and health concerns related to marijuana and even different components within the marijuana plant. Myth 2. The first statement says vaping is safer than smoking, and statement 2 says vaping is safe. Question number 2 asks you to determine the difference between the words safe and safer in reference to marijuana. You may now pause this video to record your 1-paragraph response on your handout. Welcome back. Now you will evaluate myth 3. This is more of a personal statement, but you may still need to do some internet research to answer question number 3. The first statement is, I personally have abused marijuana. The second statement is, I have personally used marijuana. Question 3 asks you, what is the difference between using versus abusing marijuana? You may now pause this video to record your 1-paragraph response. Welcome back. You have made it to the final task for Unit 2. This is a scenario-based task where you are asked to respond to this prompt. At Clinton Middle School, a 12-year-old was caught using a marijuana vaporizer in the boys' restroom. You have been asked to be a mentor to this student. What do you say to him? Your task is to create a 2-paragraph response to this student. You must include 2 concepts covered within this unit. There are some sentence starters provided at the bottom of the slide to help you get started. Just keep in mind, your response must be 2 paragraphs in length and must somehow reference 2 concepts covered in this unit. When you have answered questions 1 through 3 on your sheet and the final task, Please submit a hard copy to either Ms. Boteo, Ms. Lira, or Ms. Flores. They will review your responses and provide you with the information on how to access Unit 3. You have now reached the end of Unit 2.